Navy Federal Credit Union integrates Zelle directly into their digital banking platform, creating a seamless payment experience. However, this integration can sometimes lead to specific error scenarios that members need to understand and resolve. Navy Federal members commonly encounter three main types of Zelle errors. Transfer failures occur when payments don't go through, login problems prevent access to Zelle services, and verification delays happen during account setup or changes. When experiencing transfer failures, start with these systematic checks. First, confirm the recipient has enrolled in Zelle with their bank. Navy Federal accounts typically have daily limits of $2,500 and monthly limits of $20,000. Always ensure you have sufficient funds plus a small buffer for any holds. Login problems often resolve with basic app maintenance. Start by clearing the app's cache and cookies, then ensure you're running the latest version. Network issues can be resolved by resetting your network settings, and a simple device restart often clears temporary glitches. Verification delays often occur when your phone number or email is already registered with Zelle through another bank. Always wait 24 to 48 hours between verification attempts to avoid system conflicts. If problems persist, Navy Federal's customer service can manually verify your account and resolve registration issues. Remember that most Navy Federal Zelle errors can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting. Start with the simplest solutions first, and don't hesitate to contact customer service when self-service options don't resolve the issue. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Navy Federal Zelle errors, several advanced steps can help restore functionality. These methods address deeper system issues that simple restarts cannot fix. The first advanced step is completely uninstalling and reinstalling the Navy Federal mobile app. This clears corrupted data files and ensures you have the latest version with all security patches and bug fixes. Next, check your account status for any restrictions or holds. Navy Federal may temporarily limit Zelle access due to security concerns, unusual activity patterns, or account verification requirements. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Navy Federal Customer Service for a complete Zelle service reset. Their technical team can perform back-end adjustments that aren't possible through the mobile app. Industry experts have identified unique challenges that credit unions like Navy Federal face with Zelle integration. These insights help explain why certain errors occur more frequently. Credit unions typically have smaller IT infrastructures compared to major banks, which can lead to less frequent system updates and unique integration challenges with third-party services like Zelle. Current statistics from 2025 reveal important patterns. 85% of Navy Federal Zelle errors resolve within 24 hours, using standard troubleshooting methods. Transfer verification problems account for 40% of all reported cases, making them the most common issue users encounter. Navy Federal is actively investing in digital infrastructure improvements to enhance the Zelle experience. These upgrades address current pain points and prepare for future growth. Enhanced mobile app stability is expected by Q4 2025, along with improved error messaging that provides specific resolution steps rather than generic error codes. Security enhancements are also planned, including multi-factor authentication improvements and enhanced fraud detection systems that reduce false positives while maintaining security. When contacting technical support, documenting error messages and circumstances can significantly improve resolution times. This information helps support teams identify patterns and provide targeted solutions. These advanced troubleshooting methods, combined with Navy Federal's ongoing improvements, provide multiple pathways to resolve Zelle errors and ensure reliable digital banking services.